Hello everybody and welcome to this new episode of our project Laravel e-commerce website from scratch. So the last episode we have added the controller which will execute the payment functions. So let's add the routes. I will add here some commands, payment routes. So as I said before, for the first route will be the handle payments. This route will be get routes. I will add here handle payments, and it will take us to the PayPal payments. PayPal, here it's small p, PayPal payments controller, to the function that we have already here, which is the handle payments. So this one, and I will call this one, I will call it, name will be make payments. Next we will have three routes. The next route will be the cancel payments, or the let's add the cancel payments, and let's success for the last one. For the payments cancel will be the function executed, and the name cancel payments, and here success payments. Success payment, let's check here. Name that we have success payment, cancel payment. Okay, the cancel payment, success payments. Okay, so here we add the last one, which is success payments, and the function that will be executed is the payment, not cancel, but the payments. Where is the payment success? This one. So I will move here and add the function here. So this is our routes. Next we will add, as I said, the button. The button will be in the carts. Let's check the carts page. Let's go to the carts page. Where is the carts page? The carts page here. Carts page. And I think where we'll add it here. After the table, we will check if the cards subtotal, if the cards gets subtotal is greater than 0, that means that we have that means that we have orders in our carts. When we have orders in our carts, we will show this link. If there is no orders, we will not show anything. So that's what means this line. Will add a link with the beta n primary, and the inside the routes we will add the routes that we have already added, which is the make payments. And inside link, let's move here. We say pay, and we pay the total, which we get from here. Pay the total and we give the $sign via PayPal. So let's check if our payments will be successfully or no. So here we have the payments, pay $2,375 via PayPal. If I click on pay, so I am not logged in. That means that I will be redirected to the login page. I think that I forgot the email, and I think that's the password is this. Okay, let's check. I am logged in. It will take a long time because after login I will be redirected to the PayPal page. That means, as you can see, I am redirected to sandbox paypal.com, and the token that I have talking about, this one that I said here, the request token. This is the token. It's here. This is the token, and the token is retrieved or fetched from the response or the checkout details, from the details. This is token. Okay, so let's check. We have here $2,375. Let's click on continue and validate the order. So we must be redirected to the cards page, as you can see, and the paid successfully, order paid successfully, and our card is empty. Let's check PHP. Let's check PHP my admin in the local host. Let's check PHP my admin. I misspelled. Let's check our database and see if we have the orders already in our database or not, before we move to the last section of this project, which will be the admin section. This section will have two parts, front end and back end. Okay, I am redirected to my local host. Let's where is the database? This one, Laravel English. And here in the orders we have 12 orders. We have already added 10, and the two orders, as you can see here, the two orders that I have added recently, since today is the 8th of January. We have the first one, we have 1, and the second we have 2 in quantity, and here is the paid, that the orders were paid, as you can see here, and the user ID is 23. So this is all what we have in front end. What lasts for us is the section for the back end. I'm going to I think that I will let it for the next episode. I will handle the admin section. So if you like this project, subscribe to my channel and share and like, and see you in the next episode.